Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your relationship, and for your career situation, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Angel Guidance deck. So, this is for your daily energies, Virgos. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Angel Guidance deck. So, we will open the cards now for your daily energies, Virgos. It is Temperance in reverse, guys. So, with this card, the energy for you guys is that maybe today, guys, um, you are moving towards some kind of, or you have certain religious inclinations. Maybe you are visiting a church or some place of your religious worship, something you are leaning towards some spiritual activities, or in yourself you see certain kinds of signs or intuitions guiding you towards something deep, some deep spiritual path that you need to take. So something pointing you towards that direction, guys. That is what I see here. And also you are feeling that sense of gratitude in your situation. You have that mental gratitude, some kind of fulfillment, but in your work situation or in your relationship, you experience some kind of stress or confusion. So your interests are the way you feel mentally towards each area, maybe towards your work and towards your relationship, is quite contradictory, guys. That is what I see here with this card. So in some things you are happy, but some things you are quite emotional and stressed. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your career situation? The Hermit. So with this card here, Virgos, the energy, maybe you are thinking within yourself. You are deeply thinking what you need to do, what is your next step, next plan of action in your situation. You have certain choices before you, guys, and you are thinking with your knowledge and wisdom, whatever you have based on your past experience, and you are deciding what is your choice and what you need to do, in what way you should proceed in your career situation. So you have that deep thinking, that deep contemplation today, and before taking up that choice or whatever you need to do, you have that thought. You are thinking for yourself what you need to do. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your relationship, Virgos? Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card here, guys, maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some important news, guys. Maybe your person is coming with some important news, maybe regarding this relationship, what they want to do. Maybe you both were thinking of proposal. Maybe this person is coming with proposal or something, maybe regarding their work. They may be moving to a different place, a different city, or some news about that, or something about this relationship. But for some of you all, this news may even be something not good, guys, not favorable. But for some of you all, it may be a good news. We don't know yet. So that is the energy here. And also Some of y'all may be shopping, maybe doing some shopping, spending money on some expensive gifts, or you may be buying expensive gifts, expensive things for yourself, gifting yourself. Maybe that is also the energy here with these cards, guys. So it may be for your person, you may be buying things for them, or they may be buying for you. So that can also be the energy here. So some shopping you're doing, and maybe some news is coming, maybe this person, it may be a good or bad news, guys. That is what I see here with these cards. So what is the angel guidance card? Let us see what is the angel's guidance card. So this is the card here, guys. Be accommodating. So with this card, the angels guidance for us Virgos is that we need to be really flexible, guys. We need to be flexible. We need to be able to accept the ideas and beliefs of others. So that does not mean that we have to give up our own ideas. It just means that in any situation when we are involved with another person, we should be able to listen to them, listen to their viewpoints. So when we expand our viewpoint to include the other people, whatever they are suggesting, we will move to a better understanding, guys. So we will learn to adjust to people and situations by recognizing them and allowing them to express whatever they feel without that judgment. So when we put aside our own feelings in order to deal with that particular situation properly with that person, so we should never give up that ethics or beliefs, ideals, whatever we have, but we should be able to include the other person's suggestions, their viewpoints. So when we do that, we will learn to evaluate that situation deeply, considering all the sides of all the sides, our side and that person's side of view. So whatever it is, we will take though consider both the situations, and we will decide, we will get that clarity, guys. So this angel's guidance is for that, guys. So in your work situation, maybe you are thinking deeply because of that, or in your relationship, guys, whatever you may be facing with stress, some kind of troubles. So you need to go for this flexibility in your life. When you have that flexibility in the way you deal go about your day, you will see things working to your benefit, guys, in a harmonious, balanced manner. So that is the angel's guidance for y'all Virgos, and that is the reading for y'all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.